Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I'm very proud to share with you this very nice unboxing and a little comparison. We have a pair of earrings in question, which you probably already saw by the title of this video. I managed to procure a pair of Cartier Love earrings, the hoop ones, which are actually a single earring piece, which if you want a set you need to buy two single ones, which is a bit of a so-so and a way for them to kind of manipulate the way they sell this. But this is neither here nor there, and you're not here for this, you're here for this. Ta-da! So the item will come in this outer box, and there is a box inside which I will share with you very soon. What you get with you, what I got with this purchase was a cleaning kit. This is my second one, which I also have another one with my previous purchase. A certificate, in my case, two certificates. One, two. Why two, you might ask? Because these earrings are sold as a single piece, therefore every earring has its own certificates. There are two certificates, and this is the invoice from the Cartier store, which shows each earring individually in the invoice, the serial number and everything. This is the lovely Cartier bag that you get in the boutique if you buy from them directly. I have already took off the white wrapping with the seal, which you all know. Actually, I have it here. I can show you. Just put it here. So it looks like this. When they seal it, it comes in this white paper with a seal. So obviously this was inside of here. So this comes with this, like this. Then you take this out and you get this. Once you get this, sorry, I keep disappearing, but it is necessary. So inside you get another box. So it's a box in a box, which you probably know how they pack their stuff. So you remove this box, and then you have this box, which has a little button. I got the similar one with my other earring, and inside here, voila, there are two single hoops from the Cartier Love collection. Look like this. Let me take one out. So if you know how they are set in, they are put in like this, and this is kinda, there is a slip which you can take them out. It was bothering me a bit on the first unboxing of my used to include earring, but now I kinda got used to it. I was scared a little bit first time, so you can just pull it out and you get the earring out. I'm not a professional jewelry reviewer. I don't have any white gloves, so you'll just have to bear with that. Put the box aside. So this is the earring. This is how it looks like. It is not very big. This is a much bigger earring that I have here in the silver one, but this is how it looks. But it's absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail in this earring is next to nothing. It's absolutely stunning. It has the little screw designs, as you can see. There, and it obviously opens here, and you put it in the ear like this. It is very similar size to my used to include. I would say the used to include is a bit bigger, but nevertheless the Love earring is thicker, and I will show you this in a second as much as I can. So this part here is much thicker because just to include is just a nail, which is, you know, obviously that's the name of the earring. Excuse me, because my left hand is not so good, but I'll try to do this anyway. So this is the Love earring, and for the comparison, this is used to include. As you can see, it looks a bit bigger, but it's actually not. It's very similar in size, but due to the detail, it's maybe more interesting. That's why I got this one when I was in Cartier boutique when I was buying for myself. I got this one as my first. I do tend to collect them. I want to get the stud one from the Love collection as the next one. So this is used to include for the comparison with this one. Anyway, so this is how it looks like. This is the single Love hoop earring from Cartier. Once again, let me try to put it like this with the Houston glue. You can see how they look side by side. This one is obviously thicker because this part is thicker, it's more substantial. And also I can tell you this one from the Love collection is weightier than this one. This one looks, I mean, feels lighter in hand. I will not say it feels cheaper because that's not, I mean, it has very nice details, obviously the nail design there. So to each its own. I will tell you a little story which scared me with this earring. And why you need to be very careful. This one is a weather earring from design because it's not so complex and it's gonna be more secure in your ear. I'm gonna tell you a scary story with this one. This year when I was vacationing in Italy, I had this earring, and while we were leaving the hotel, I was putting on my sling bag and it got caught by the nail, and I managed to pull this earring through without opening it. So it went through this part through my ear and it fell out. And I thought I lost it. I looked all around the bed and luckily for me I found it. But just to tell you, if you buy this earring, you need to know that this part here, obviously as it is a nail, therefore the name, Houston glue, it can catch on anything, especially knitted stuff, sweaters, stuff like that. So be very careful. If you catch it, it's gonna catch, obviously, and then when you pull it, it's gonna either open or gonna go through your ear, like it did in my case. Luckily, I found it and it's completely undamaged. Actually, I plan to put it in today or tomorrow because it's absolutely beautiful and I want to wear it more. Nevertheless, back to these earrings. These are the love hoops, the single love hoops from Cartier. They're very, very beautiful. The attention to detail and the way they are done, they are absolutely beautiful. So they are obviously not awesomely big. So if you like big hoops, this is not gonna be for you. But there is something about wearing this earring. It's, you know what you have, and people who know, and that's enough. Okay, you don't need to kind of flex with a huge kind of stuff, but to each its own. I actually think the size is good, but and also as I said, because this part here is much thicker than on Houston glue, it adds a bit more to the overall perception of this earring. Let me put it next back into the where it was. Oh, so I can see that this box actually has 3 slots like this. So I will try to put all 3 of them next to each other, so we can see them packed back in the box. Let me see if I can put this third one in. It's gonna be tricky, so bear with me, please. It's obviously not that easy once you want to do something, especially on camera. That's when the stuff becomes obviously difficult. Okay, it's in. So here you can see them next to each other. So this is the love, this is Houston glue. So I have 2 loves and 1 Houston glue. So for your visual pleasure comparison, these are all 3 of them now in the box. I plan to get also the studded love one, the one that screws in with a little ball in back, because actually when I went to Cartier the first time, I wanted that one, but it was out of stock. And then when I was choosing between the love and this one, I got this one because it kind of spoke to me, let's say, when I was there. Okay, without any more taking this longer, this is the love earring, single hoop earring in yellow gold. I forgot to say that in the beginning. Obviously you can get this in white gold, red gold. Personally, I really like yellow gold, to be honest with you, so I went with the yellow gold one, but to each its own, not to take anything away from other metals. If you prefer something else, then obviously get yourself something else. To me, white gold, it's not that interesting. I like yellow gold more, so that's why I went for this. And that's about it. If you have any question about these earrings here, feel free to write down in the comment section and I'll be sure to come back to you. Thank you very much for watching my video and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.